Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a LunchEAZE. So here we have a LunchEAZE with a bad battery. Let's go ahead and replace it. Flip your unit over. We're going to need to remove these two screws. All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to go ahead and use a drill to make things a little bit faster for this video. Remove both screws. And here's your battery. To remove this battery, we're going to have to unplug both these connectors. Be careful when unplugging these. They are quite firm. Do not pull from the wires, only pull from the plastic. All right, let's remove this old battery and take our new battery and drop it in the same orientation. Here we've got the two connectors. Let's plug them back in. Keep in mind, these connectors only fit in one way. You'll see a curve on the top of this connector here and a similar curve on the top of this connector. Make sure when you plug them back in, they're the same orientation. It does not matter which connector we put into which of these receptacles. Go ahead and plug them both back in and tuck these cables back into the same channels they were in originally. You want to make sure these cables are nice and tucked away so that our battery cover can fit back on properly without any bulges. This looks pretty good to me. Let's go ahead, replace our battery cover, and go ahead and reinsert these screws. These do not have to be super tight, just enough to hold the battery cover in place. And there we go. Battery's been replaced.